93 what?
93 point.
Let's see.
RPS Racing. Janet Rosendorf, Martinsville. Your current world record holder, improved stock 440. Stock 440. Top speed 105.21. 105.21 for Janet Grusendorf. Improved stock record was 103.71. That is a backup. 105.21. That might not be the backup. That might be the granddaddy. 105.21. For improved stock 440, Janet Grusendorf. Up next, got Paige Tomlin on the vintage stock A, the 1980 Polaris Centurion. Paige Tomlin. She's been racing speed runs for 5 years. She's your racing kindergarten teacher, Paige Tomlin. Vintage stock A. Paige Tomlin squeezing it to the bar. Through the traps. 93.98 miles an hour for Paige Tomlin. In the vintage stock A class. Haley Martinson in the Pro X 440 fan class. Stock 440 fan, Haley Martinson, number 74. Haley Martinson coming at you. She is your current world record holder in stock 440 fan. Going through the beams, 88.36, 88.35 for Haley Martinson. James Grusendorf tucking in the Polaris XCM SP 440 class. James Grusendorf, junior stock 440. James Grusendorf, 78.08 miles per hour for James Grusendorf in the 99 Polaris XCF SP 440. Up next, we got Paige Tomlin. She's been racing in speed runs for 5 years. Following in her father and brother's footsteps, Paige Tomlin, the 1980 Polaris Centurion, vintage stock A. Paige Tomlin coming at you. 93.05 miles an hour for Paige Tomlin.